Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farm Life Roblox. To start your adventure, you will first select an available plot of land. Upon arrival, you'll receive essential starter tools, including a basic hoe and a watering can. Use these to prepare your soil and plant your very first seeds. Focus on growing simple crops like wheat or corn to begin earning your initial in-game currency. As your farm grows, you can unlock a wider variety of crops, moving beyond basic grains to vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Consider investing in livestock, starting with chickens for eggs or cows for milk, which provide steady income. Remember to visit the in-game shop to purchase upgrades for your tools and expand your farm's physical boundaries by acquiring more land plots. Earning money is crucial for farm development. You can sell your freshly harvested crops directly at the market, often receiving a good price for high-quality produce. Consider processing raw goods, like turning milk into cheese, to significantly increase their value. Additionally, explore the player-to-player trading system to exchange items, acquire rare resources, or sell your surplus goods to other farmers. To truly master farm life, optimize your farm's layout for maximum efficiency, minimizing travel time between tasks. Keep an eye out for special seasonal events and challenges, which often offer exclusive items and substantial rewards. Don't forget the social aspect. Team up with friends to tackle larger projects, share resources, and build a thriving farming community together. There's always more to discover.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.